Good afternoon, Cicloistas. Miko Villano here at nandito tayo sa Bike Review. What we have in front of us is the TVS Apache 200 RTR. It is one of the newest model ng TVS. Ang TVS Apache ay merong dalawang engine type. One is carburetor and the second one is fuel injection. Meron din siyang two colors. This one is black at meron din siyang red. This one has a 197.75cc engine, so it's 200, basically 200cc. Single cams pero 4 valve na siya. And then ang maximum power niya is 20.2 brake horsepower at 8,500 RPM. Ang maximum torque naman niya is 18.1 Newton meter at 7,500 RPM. Ang top speed niya is 127 for carburetor type and 129 kilometers per hour for the EFI or yung electronic fuel injection. What I like the most para sa motor na to is yung unang-una yung gulong. As you can see, it has Pirelli tires. It comes as stock. Hindi nyo na kailangan magpalit kasi some of the bikes out there, minado naman tayo, medyo madulas yung gulong, so we need to buy a new tire. So gastos na yon. Dito hindi nyo na iisipin yon. Kasama na talaga siya sa package. Tapos yung looks ng pipe nya, hindi nyo na rin kailangan palitan, lalo na ngayon medyo mahigpit na pagdating sa open pipe. Yung itsura nya, hindi na siya mukhang stock pipe, di ba? Tapos yung LCD panel, yung speedometer niya. Tapos meron siyang RPM up to 12,000 RPM display. Ang gusto ko rito is yung top speed indicator niya. Hindi mo siya pwedeng dayaan, makikita mo yung fastest speed na naabot mo sa motor mo. So hindi ka pwedeng magyabang sa mga barkada mo na, "Oy, ganito, ganon, kasi may record." Tinesting ko tong motor na to at nagulat ako, na-impress ako sa torque niya dahil kanina lang nag-shoot ako nito. Nagwiwili siya pagka hindi mo na tansya yung pagbitaw mo ng clutch, talaga magwiwili. At yung comfort, unang-una napakalambot ng upuan. Para siyang pang big bike na, yung tangke 12 liters. Nakita nyo naman malaki, so malayo-layo na ang aabutin nyo. Kung kayo ay mahilig bumiyahe ng malalayo, hindi na kayo mamroblema na wala kayong magagasan dahil isang full tank lang nito. Let's say aabot ka na ng 300 to 340 kilometers in one full tank. So layo-layo na yon. Shock absorbers is one of the best that I've tried. Dinaan ko sa lubak kanina. Hindi siya masakit sa puwet, hindi ako yung stability ng motor nandun pa rin. Yung seat height niya applicable sa medyo matatangkad na riders. I'm 5'7", medyo nakatingkayad pa ako sa kanya. Pero no problem lang kasi hindi naman ganun kabigat yung motor eh. It's around 140 kilograms. Yung ilaw niya, ang headlight nito is H4. So madaling palitan, pwede mong palitan ng LED lights which is dapat white in color. Okay, for the safety, yun nga, which is one of the safety is the wheels, Pirelli. Tapos yung brake niya, it has front and disc brake. As you can see, medyo malalaki yung front and disc brake niya. So yung stopping power ng motor nito, tamang-tama lang dahil 200cc siya. At I forgot to mention, its engine is also oil cooled. Okay, so no worries about overheating. So that's it. That is my review for the TVS Apache 200 RTR. See you on the road, guys.